So we're going to add a new admin user and delete the user with the username admin, which isn't very secure. So go across to all users, and you'll see here we've got this admin user that we want to get rid of. So to do that, we're going to add a new administrator. Your username can be anything you want. I tend to put a full stop in the middle of mine, just so it's got that extra little bit of unguessability, if that's even a word. And then you'll want to use an email address that's different to the existing admin user. So I could use my work email address, or if you've got a Gmail address, what you can do is you can add at the end of the part to the left, so here clean page design, if you add a plus symbol and then a 1 or any string of letters or numbers, so you can do +1, you can do plus new, you can do plus me, and whatever you add there, that will send to your original top level Gmail address. So clean page design +1 at Gmail will send to clean page design at Gmail. So add your name first and last, and then head down to the password field, and you can see you've got a password strength meter. So if you want to make something that you can remember, you can use regular words separated with full stops. That's always a good place to start. Generally speaking, if you use a combination of numbers, letters and symbols and make it long enough, you will end up with a secure password. And you can just use a really long string. So you can see here I'm typing out 30+ characters. So we'll go for something that uses a combination of symbols, numbers and letters. And we'll just copy that somewhere. And then we'll turn off the notification, select the role as administrator and add a new user. So now we've got two administrators in the dashboard, one that's got a weak username and one that's got a stronger username. So now we need to log out of our weak username admin account and log back in with our secure admin account. So I'll just grab the username and password that I just created and log back in. We'll head back over to users. You can see that I'm logged in now as the new, more secure account. And then we want to delete this user with the username admin. You've got some options here, but what we're going to do is attribute the content to the new admin user. And that will mean if you've got any blog posts or pages that have been created, they'll now be transferred over to the new user. So now we've just got one user with a secure username and a secure password. And then you can go back in there and you can change the email address back to one that you would prefer to use. You will then have to confirm this email, but that shouldn't be too hard to do. So if that was useful or you've enjoyed my video, subscribe to my newsletter.